Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel by Felicia, where all of the videos are by me, Felicia. And today we are going to be reviewing the new frosted animal cracker blizzard from Dairy Queen, and I'm super excited for this one. A, it looks pink and super cute. B, I am really wanting some ice cream today, so this is kind of perfect for me. Okay, and let's roll that intro. Welcome to my channel by Felicia. I know you like it. Subscribe. Okay, so I just ordered, and I wasn't filming because this where the light is was causing a really weird mark on my face, but now the sun is bright and it's looking cute. Okay, so right now I want to give a huge shout out to the wolf pack out there. You guys are the absolute best. I had 22 subscribers, and then Peter Mon being Peter Mon and being amazing, he linked my video in one of his latest reviews, and I was so excited that happened. I couldn't believe it. I didn't really know if he would ever see it. I just had fun, and I thought if he did see it, that was great. If he never saw it, that was okay. And like, not only did he see it, but like, he sent you guys to come and watch, and I am so thankful. Like, I can't tell you how excited I was yesterday. It was the best. Like, I don't know, you guys have just been nothing but kind to me, and not only did you watch that video, but a lot of you watched my other videos too, and this has just been so fun for me, and thank you so much for all of your support. I just thank you for subscribing. Yeah, oh, I'm at the window. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You too. He was very nice. Okay. Hopefully, oh, see, it was doing stuff like that. Okay. Okay, everybody, I think I found some good lighting. And like I was saying, I just wanted to thank everybody who has subscribed or left me a comment. I am amazed at how kind and generous all of you have been. Like, I was just getting so many compliments, and my heart was just smiling like the entire day. And I can't thank you enough that you guys A, would watch my videos, but B, that you wanted to subscribe to me. It really means the world to me. I have so much fun doing this too. So yeah, if you guys have anything you want me to review, it doesn't have to be food. It can be, really anything. I'm down. Yeah, just let me know. Here it is. Okay. I got the small because I can't remember the exact calorie and carb count, but this was pretty high, and although I want ice cream, I'm not trying to, go too crazy. I did want to like celebrate because I've been having such a good couple days, and first of all, going to Indianapolis, I got good news, and then the video worked out, which was amazing. And then, you guys, my friends, my new friends, you guys are the best, and you're making me so happy. Okay, let's get into this review. This is like the third time I've said this. Okay. Now, let's see if you can see this. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Can you guys see that? I hope so. Okay. It looks like there are actual little animal cracker pieces in there. And from what I can see, there is like sprinkles. Let's get into it. grab the signature red spoon. Okay, let's do this. Okay. No. Mm. I'm sorry, I'm taking one more bite. I need to describe the flavors to you. Okay. This is delicious. I love this. Okay. The animal crackers. This is so good. Like animal crackers with ice cream. Amazing. And, you know, there are like the sprinkles that are on the frosted animal cookies get kind of mixed in through the entire thing. I don't know if they add anything except the crackers, but it really does. It turns like a pink color, a very light pink color, and it's really cute. And then the animal cracker pieces, I actually quite like them. Sometimes, have you guys ever been eating any sort of like mixed ice cream, and sometimes they'll put like candy pieces in it and it seems like a good idea, and then you bite into it and it's like frozen and it hurts your teeth or it feels stale? Well, this, at least at my Dairy Queen, it's not stale. It actually works really well. The crunchiness, it's not too like chewy, I guess. Yeah, that can happen to some like cookies and stuff. It gets chewy, and I personally don't like that feeling, you know, on my teeth. I don't like it. But this does not have that. It is a frosted animal cracker. This is what it is. Like, and honestly, my one weakness is ice cream. I mean, I have multiple food weaknesses. But ice cream is my absolute favorite. It's, I don't know. I love ice cream. And with the summer, I allow myself 2 ice creams a week. Okay. And so this is counting as one of my ice creams. This is delicious. I love this. It's just as sweet as frosted animal crackers. So if you like frosted animal crackers, if that's your jam, if you're loving it, you're gonna love this 100%. This is delicious. It's cute. I mean, it doesn't really have a smell, but I don't need it to. It's flavorful enough without a smell. Anyway, yeah, this 100% 10 out of 10. There's no arguments. I think anyone who likes a frosted animal cracker, if you like those, you will love this. Hands down. 10 out of 10. I totally love this. I think everybody would like it. I'm just going to go out on the limb. I think everyone would like this. Okay. Like I said, I love you guys very much. Thank you so much to all my brand new subscribers. And, you know, anyone who has subscribed to me or even just watched a video or watched this, thank you. This is so much fun for me to do. And the fact that someone out there, that there are people out there that want to watch this and listen to what I think, I love that. And I feel really lucky. Yeah, I just feel super lucky and thankful and grateful to all of you. And I love you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the notification bell, which should be there, I think, if I did that right. There. And hit that notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. I have been really busy at work, so I am not sure if I can do the Tuesday through Saturday. I'm sorry. I am, however, committed to doing at least, you know, a minimum of 3 videos a week. I'm not saying it's only going to be 3. I just want to give myself a little room and we can think of the other videos as bonuses. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I know I keep saying that, and I know I keep saying I'm grateful to you, but I really am. And this has just been like an amazing like 48 hours. And yeah, it makes me a little like teary-eyed thinking about like everything that's happened, and I'm just so thankful and so grateful. And you watching, I want to thank you so much. You mean so much to me, and I can't describe how thankful and lucky I feel right now. And I have to stop because I just keep saying the same things over again. Okay. Anyway, like I said, for the 100 billionth time, I love you very much. Did you get that yet? Did you guys know? Have you guys noticed I love you? Did you? Okay. Anyway, I hope you guys like this, and I will catch you on next time. You watched my channel. Thank you. I hope you liked it. Subscribe. There it is.